What up, y'all? It's your girl, Official Natalie Roche, back at it again with another video. Thank you so much for your continued support and just tuning into my channel. For everyone who has clicked the bell and you are receiving notifications for my videos whenever I post, I so appreciate y'all. I just really love y'all. I really be trying hard to put out good content for y'all. Like, that is my goal. If I ever post trash, let me know. Like, Natalie, that was trash. For those of you guys who don't know, here on my channel, my content is always going to be centered around beauty, self-care, those real nitty-gritty like life conversations, female empowerment, and Christianity as a lifestyle. That is the sole purpose of my channel and what I am doing here. So if that sounds like something that you are into, hit that subscribe button and chime in with the little bell so that you get notifications whenever I post a video. So today we are going to be starting the Skin Deep series. So excited about this. Like, y'all don't even know. I've done so much so much research for y'all. Oh god, I'm really excited to talk about this video. Like, jam-packed. The first part of this series is going to be 5 videos. That's 10, but 5 videos. The first 3 are going to be centered around skincare, knowing your skin type, products for your skin type. I'm going into strict detail and giving y'all the need to know about skincare. Yes, I am a makeup artist, but skincare is so much more important than applying makeup. So 5-part video. Then the last 2 are going to be about basically like an everyday, not having to do too much makeup routine for my teens. And then the next one is going to be for ladies that are like, you know, 20s plus, like a quick everyday makeup, like not having to try too hard, just looking put together. Because like when people come get their makeup done, they always ask me, how can I just, you know, look put together when I'm at home, when I'm about to like run out to the grocery store, if I'm just at work, like how can I quickly put myself together and look presentable? We're going to touch on all of that in that video. So today we're going to be talking about skin types and skincare based on your skin type, because I want to truly educate you guys so that y'all not out here just struggling and not like, you know, going to the store and just, listening to a girl down the street who said, oh yeah, I just put petroleum jelly on my face and my skin look amazing. Yeah, let's not. That's not skincare. Okay, 5 different skin types that we are going to talk about are dry skin, normal skin, combination skin, oily skin, and sensitive or problematic skin. Dry skin means that your skin is like, you know, dry. It's tight. Before you put product on it, it might look dull, flaky, totally lacking in moisture, and it could be eczema prone. Normal skin, you don't have any oil, your skin looks healthy, you have like a nice glow, your skin is not tight, it's smooth, small pores. You are what we call blessed in the skincare and beauty community. You don't have any issues with your skin. You just, I woke up like this. Combination skin is when you have like an oily T-zone and then your C-zone out here, like it's on the normal to dry end of the spectrum. Oily skin, you're oily all over, prone to acne, clogged pores, pimples. You have like skin that you really gotta like cleanse and take care of. Sensitive or problematic skin. When I made this video, I just wanted to let my sensitive skin girls know that I made this with you in mind, sweethearts. When people post their skincare routines, it's like, oh, I have normal skin. Oh, I have dry skin. Oh, I have oily skin. I barely see any content for people with sensitive skin on like what they can use on their face. It's so irritating because there are a lot of people in the sensitive skin community who like, you know, want to be able to take care of their skin without breaking out and having these like reactions. They want to wear makeup, but they can't wear everything. I love all my skin types. places. But sensitive skin, I made this for you. I got you. I'm about to educate y'all, help y'all. Okay, you got redness, tenderness, high sensitivity, like mild to high sensitivity. Things just irritate your face. Fragrances irritate your face. A lot of skincare products can irritate your face. Makeup can irritate your face. We're prone to acne and acne scarring and just irritation. You could be itchy too. Skin has allergic reactions to pretty much any and everything. So you have to take extra care of your skin because of this. Now that we have talked about the different skin types, how do you know what skin type you have? How can you diagnose yourself? The way that you can test what your skin type is by washing your face. So at night, before you go to bed, if you have a skincare routine, stop. We're gonna have a complete reset. Don't do it at night. You wash your face. Don't put on any serums. Don't put on any oils. Don't put any moisturizers on, nothing. Go to bed. When you wake up in the morning, go to the bathroom and you're gonna take like a napkin or a paper towel and you're going to blot your face. And based on these results, this is how you would know what skin type you have. So if you blot your face and you have oil all over the paper towel or the napkin, you have oily skin. If you are only oily in your T-zone and you are dry everywhere else around your face, then you have combination skin. If there is no oil whatsoever on the paper towel and your skin is smooth, your pores are small, your skin doesn't feel tight or anything, like you just kind of feel normal, like you feel fine even without having anything on your face, you have normal skin. If you have no oil on your paper towel or napkin and your skin feels tight, you notice that you have like some flakiness and peeling, like maybe in like this area, like around your nose, around your mouth and stuff like that. Or you just look in the mirror and you're like, my skin looks like dull, like there's no life, like my skin is not giving me life right now, then you probably have dry skin. If your skin is feeling itchy, irritated, red, tender to the touch, you know, it just feels like it's not treated, odds are you have sensitive skin. So now that we know the different skin types and how to diagnose what your skin type is, we're going to get into how to properly care for our skin. So no matter what skin type you are, where you fall on the spectrum, you have to wash your face twice a day. Bottom line, period. That is like skincare 101. I don't care if you don't wear makeup. I don't care if you do wear makeup. You have to wash your face twice a day. We're going to get into proper cleansing for each type. When I say proper cleansing, I mean the actual type of cleansers that are okay to use on your skin. For dry skin, you want to use cream-based cleansers, oil cleansers, or micellar cleansers. For combination skin, you want to use creamy cleansers, gel cleansers, foam cleansers, and the like bar soap cleansers. Those are okay for combination skin as well. For normal skin beauties, the only thing that you really have to pay attention to is if your cleanser has ceramides in it. And what ceramides essentially do is kind of just like, it helps keep your already balanced skin balanced. For my oily skin beauties, okay, you want to make sure that your skin contains one of these two acids, salicylic acid or mandelic acid, or both. These acids help to safely exfoliate and break down the oils in your skin. It's really good with like clearing out like sebum that like really clog your pores in oily skin. For my sensitive skin girls, you want to avoid acids. They peel and they irritate sensitive skin. You don't need anything that is harsh. Your skincare routine is going to be gentle and loving and just for you. You want to make sure that you are using creamy, soothing cleansers. Nothing abrasive, like don't use any brushes on your face. Like if your wash rag is too rough, no. Essentially, all that you really need to use is your clean, bare hands. For sensitive skin, you don't want to bring anything into your hookup that's going to screw up your skin. Yes, sensitive skin, you technically have it harder than other people just because you have to really watch what you do and put on your skin. But that is also a plus because in the world of skincare, especially when you were shopping at like a drugstore or something like that, there are a million products that you will see on the shelf that claim that they are formulated for sensitive skin. There are literally very, very few things that are good to use on people who have mild to high sensitivity. So I really hope that you guys have learned something from my video. I really care about y'all, and I don't want y'all to be out here lacking in any type of way. Y'all are my babies, okay? Y'all are my babies. I love y'all. If you haven't already, please give this video your thumbs. Comment down below and let me know if this was helpful. And if you have anything, you know, any recommendations on what you would like to see from me in the future. I so love y'all. Okay, bye.